Hi everyone, I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah. Today we have our sister Anju. How are you Anju?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Today we'll do for her mock test inshallah, and this is the first day for practices area in Wadi Kabir, and first the mock test. So inshallah, wish her good luck. You are ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, we'll do the mock test. So I'll give you direction and instruction then. And then I will tell you the mistakes, inshallah.
Okay.
But I hope there is no mistakes, huh?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we'll talk about when you're on the day of the test, when the examiner will come, he'll sit with you, check your book. He will ask you about your name. And are you ready? Yes, I am ready.
Yes.
He said, okay, go.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You have to move now.
Let's try.
Can you go?
Okay.
Yes. Do your best, huh?
Okay.
Try your best, no mistakes. Okay. Can you? We go right? Inshallah, when I come back from Bangalore, we'll do for you real test. And again, right? Good, good, good. Okay, Anju. What the speed limit here, Anju?
50.
50. It's allowed to do overtaking here?
Yes.
Yeah. It's allowed also to park right side and left? No problem?
No problem.
Okay, Anju. Before signal, we go right.
Okay.
Anju, can you go right?
Yes.
What the speed limit is here?
50.
50. Yes. Can you go left? Okay, Anju. Can you park left? Can I park? Okay, Anju. We go right.
Do not forget to turn on your hazard lights when reversing.
Okay. Keep going.
So, what was the mistake over here? First mistake was not positioning the car correctly on the road. This is a two-way road and she ended up in the middle. The second mistake over here is that she forgot to straighten the steering wheel after moving back and before moving forward. Always remember to stop, change gears, and straighten the steering wheel before proceeding. In a situation like this, you need to slow down, turn on your hazard lights, and move forward only if the other side of the road is
You can go
clear.
left.
No, we are not allowed.
Okay. Okay. Can you park right? Angel? Angel? We'll do it again. Huh?
Okay.